Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you how you can snap yourself with a free website in 2024. Whether you are a freelancer or a small business owner, you just want to start a blog, or just someone wanting to showcase a personal project, this is an incredible opportunity you don't want to miss. Let's jump right into the video. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video and also share it with your friends. So on this video, as I said, I want to show you how you can create a website for free, how you can get a free website. You know, if you want to enter, if you want to start affiliate marketing, you want to start a blog, or just you want to start a business, you need a website. So and the problem now is, how do you get a website if you don't have a coding idea? So how do you get a website if you don't have a coding idea? So don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can get a free website. So the only thing that you need is just for you to get a domain and a hosting, and you can get this free website. The first thing you want to do for you to get a free website is for you to click on the link you see in the description box below or on the comment section, and make sure you use my link. Use that link to purchase a domain and a hosting. I will drop two links there. So if you are Nigerian, there will be a link especially for Nigerians that you can get a domain and a hosting platform here in Nigeria. And the second link is for those that cannot buy using Naira. So yeah, if you are not a Nigerian, I will drop the second link that you can, you know, where you can get a cheap domain and a hosting for yourself. So use that link and make sure you purchase a hosting and a domain for yourself. And then if that is done, you comment me, or or you can check on my description box to get my WhatsApp contact, and then you contact me, and this is my giveaway. I will create a nice looking website for you for free. Just use my link and purchase a domain and a hosting. And then once that is done, the next thing for you to do is for you to contact me on my WhatsApp line, or you can go to the comment section and and inform me that you have used my link to purchase a whole hosting and a domain. And after that, I will create a website for you just for free. This is my giveaway for all my subscribers this week. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and also share this video to your friends. First come, first serve. I repeat, first come, first serve. So if you go to Fiverr, or you want to pay someone to create a website for you, or you want to use an AI creator to create a website for you, you know how much you can spend. So, but I'm doing this for free to everyone. So make sure you use my link to purchase a hosting and a domain, and then I will create a website for you just for free.